hands from?
Huh?
Huh? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am back with the boys. Josh and Mike, they are back. Today we're gonna get them cooking in the kitchen again, and I wanted to do something that would maybe convert meat eaters to vegan options by doing something that is a meat replacement. And they don't know what we're making. So today they are making BBQ jerk vegan ribs.
This is a touching situation right now with the whole Jamie Oliver.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna say jerk rice too.
We don't need to make jerk rice because
right.
Jamie made jerk rice
He's
for
done
us.
enough.
So today they're gonna be cooking, they're gonna try and make their meat replacement, they're gonna make some ribs, and then they're gonna taste it, and we're gonna see, does it really replace the actual ribs, which I hope by the end of it that it will.
Better do.
Well, or what?
There's gonna be problems.
I'm
right?
guessing
I don't
these-
want to get into it right now.
I'm guessing these ribs are boneless.
Huh?
Otherwise, I'm not quite sure what we're doing here.
No, there's real bones in the vegan ribs. I'm
I'm not saying
sorry.
anything. I'm
No,
just saying.
no. I said I'm guessing, so that was my guess. So I don't understand.
You made a valid
Yeah,
point.
that was valid. That was
You made a
valid.
valid point. I'm sure the viewers would be asking the same thing.
To clarify, vegan ribs. No animals are harmed, no animals are killed. This is purely plant-based food, so let's make it. We are going to be making seitan, so this is going to be your first time making seitan. If you don't know what seitan is, it is the protein from flour when you wash the starch away, and it creates this really meaty kind of texture that vegans tend to like. Personally, not really my thing, but we're gonna make it today and see if they taste like ribs. So we're gonna start off by making our fake meat. So what we're saying, there's gonna be the dry and the wet ingredients. Which ones do you guys wanna say?
I'll take the dry.
I'll take the wet.
Interesting.
How did you make that decision?
We knew though.
I don't know.
We knew. No,
Ladies, take away with it what you will.
So we're using chickpea flour and we're using vital wheat gluten, which is essential for making seitan. Let's cut some onions here, Mike.
Yeah. Okay, that's exactly.
You just need to cut it enough that it will blend in here.
Okay, yeah.
No
yeah,
pressure.
yeah. I feel like I'm doing it wrong.
Do what feels natural to you.
This is exactly what it feels natural. Well, this is look. My technique is unorthodox. I know.
I'll tell you what, it's going to take about half hour.
Yeah,
So, I'm just gonna do.
Don't cut your hand like Josh did as well. Be
Josh,
very careful.
Look, people didn't see the second episode, they don't need to see this one.
Put the food waste in here, my friend, yeah?
Well, you know, it's sort of one of my hobbies, peeling onions. And,
So I gave you a place to put the waste.
yeah. Oh right, the
Yeah,
waste.
yeah.
He said yeah as well.
I thought,
But by that point it was too late.
I thought I was doing the wet ingredients.
This is the wet.
Yes, and that's exactly what I'm saying. You're focusing, Rachel. That's good.
This is
Well,
ridiculous. I've never seen
Where was this
something-
onion grown? Because this is not the typical, you know, it's different to the onions I'm used to. There we go. So that's and you just dunk it in. That's my favorite part. Chickpeas. Well, I don't.
Spices. What spices are they again?
Spices. This is paprika, salt, and mollusk.
What's in typical jerk recipes?
Jerk season. I don't know. Well, I looked at the back of the Jamie Oliver packet and it says
Just jerk.
ready-made jerk season.
Allspice.
Allspice. All the spices.
No, what is that for?
We'll explain.
There you go. And
Mushrooms.
and there we go. And the paprika.
What?
Oh, and did I say chickpeas?
Yeah, what paprika do we use?
The red one.
Well, we would use soy sauce, but we're going to keep it soy free, so we're going to use coconut aminos. 2 of those, please, my friend.
This is half a teaspoon.
Yes, we want 2 to make 1 teaspoon.
I don't know. Maybe I'm unorthodox, but I would use 1 teaspoon.
do you
Each to
mean?
their own.
You got 1 teaspoon in it. That's half a
So
teaspoon.
wouldn't you use the teaspoon version of this?
Yeah, I don't have it, obviously. otherwise I
Oh,
wouldn't
okay.
give it
Sorry.
to you.
All right. Cool. So it's my fault then, I guess.
Add a pinch of maple syrup. So add a pinch of cayenne pepper.
So should I pinch it and?
There we go. There we go. Fantastic.
Organic.
Now we're gonna add our vegetable stock.
Ow!
No, but where are you going?
Yeah.
Oh, can you stop?
I'm burning. I'm burning. Oh, sorry, because I got handle fire. I'm not cool. To put it in there. Make sure you get it all in. Ooh.
Oh wow. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm glad you're going before me now.
Oh, it is.
I'm just gonna
Yeah,
wipe this
yeah.
down. Anyway, and thanks Rich for the help. This is my assistant Rachel Hammer, by the way. You can take a seat now. And what we will be doing next is we want to blend the items within the blender.
So here you go, my friend. Let's put that in the blender.
Okay, cool. Burst the flavors that are yet to just burst in your mouth. So colorful and, you know. You want to make sure the blender's on, and I'm guessing
Why
it's...
are you standing?
Stop.
We're gonna turn it up now. From 5 to 7. Just have a look at it. It's all mixing in. It's becoming like a brown liquid. And now, if you're really brave, 10. Just take a look. Whoa, okay, wait. There we go.
Alright, Josh, we're gonna make the dry ingredients. We're gonna do a quarter cup of chickpea flour and a cup.
Are we scratching desks? I need to stop doing this. Gonna get a band. Take it off like that. Drop it. Don't need it. Grab that. Turn that around. Open it up. Again, let's get the ingredients. Let's get a good shot of that. All right, pop that in. No,
Quarter.
yeah, still in there. All right.
Oh no, wait, that is a
This is a quarter.
Yeah.
So you bang it in. And then what we going with the other one?
2 1/4.
2 1/4 coming up. No look, no need. Drop it in. All right. Just like that. Again, it's all about starts, it's all about core, it's all about being sure about who you are, what you are, and where you are. I'm in the kitchen, I'm having a good time, I hope you guys are too. Right.
Mix it.
We're gonna mix it up, we're gonna mix it up.
Fork. Just give it a nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Oh my god.
Pop it in there. I want you to feel comfortable with the food, okay? Feel at home, you know? Feel like you are part of the ingredients, because I know that I am.
Have you ever made dough or any pastries before?
All the time. Dough is my middle name.
Alright, let's dig a little hole and we're gonna mix it in. And this is why you need clean hands.
Yep.
We just want to fold in the layers. We just want to fold in the layers.
I'm just folding. Hold on. This is a lot messier than I.
Just gonna roll up your sleeves there, Josh.
Yeah, get that out of the way.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Exactly that.
You want to make it one shape, yeah? So
Yeah, one shape.
concentrate on bringing it all together.
All together. Pop it
Now
down.
you want to.
I think it went in my eye.
Knead. Oh, man, you're making me really nervous how you're doing this. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Now you want to knead this for a good amount of time to make sure that the texture's right.
No, that hasn't been sped up. That's just the speed of my handwork. So.
It looks like a slab of like concrete.
In the kitchen, cleaning.
Josh, have you made jerk sauce before?
I've never made jerk sauce.
Where are your
Just for
parents
the
from?
sake of the viewers, I've never made it, but I have.
Where are your parents from?
Huh?
Huh? So do you want to put some spring onions in here? There we go. Throw them in.
Dunk them in. Posh. Bing.
No, you put the garlic in there as well.
No, I didn't. That's Rachel's fault. Rach, the garlic's in here. That's cool, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you keep the skin on.
No, skin's off. Just don't tell me. You alright, Rach?
How many Scotch bonnets do you guys want today?
It depends on the spice levels. How do you feel about that, Josh?
4.
4? I think that's a...
4.
What?
Alright,
I'm gonna go for 2.
we're gonna go for 1.
Oh yes.
Don't give me the option and then tell me I can't have 4. I'm hungry.
I'm not even gonna play the game. I'm not gonna
Well.
put it in. We're doing 1 Scotch bonnet.
Well, when I deal with Scotch bonnets, I usually cut them in a way. So you want to take the stem off.
Pop. Nice.
There we go. And then you want to
What?
we're just making sure Rachel's watching before, you know.
Yeah, cut how
Yeah, so-
it's
yeah,
all
so-
going in there, mate.
There we go. And then just this is finesse. And I'm gonna dunk these in.
Right.
And Josh, I'm gonna leave the ginger to you because I don't know what to do with that.
Yeah, me neither.
I like to take off the skin because it's not organic. So I use a knife, or you can use a spoon.
Have you got a smaller knife for me to just get my little grate
I'm
on?
so scared of you knives.
Before you scrape off your own skin.
Nah, Josh, stop.
Right.
I don't trust you with
Right.
a knife. There's a safer way to do.
Easy way out, Rach. just like my dad. I've been doing this for a very long time, so again, if you are new to this, perhaps use a spoon. As if I'm gonna cut my finger.
I'm just gonna insert the clip of
Don't insert no clips, Rachel, alright? I'm sick of your snitching. It's all gonna be blended, so we're just gonna dunk it in, dunk it in, dunk it in, dunk it in. And we're done.
Okay, cool. If I remember correctly, 1 is correct. Oh, it's at 0. I'm used to the quicker speeds. There we go. That's, yeah. It's like this. It's good, it's good.
Scotch bonnet.
I feel like I'm in
Bloody hell. Jamaican.
Jamaica already.
Mike,
Hey Josh.
you just want to bring that over?
Just want to put the contents in there. Be careful of the blades.
Yep, break the blender.
Yeah.
A quarter cup of Worcester. How'd you say it?
Worcester sauce.
There
Key
we go.
ingredient to the barbecue.
Worcester.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I said how do you say it?
I said-
The person who wanted
And I was saying that's how not to say it. And we want a half of that because a half times a half is a. A half times a half is a. We'll leave the answer just down there, bottom left.
Yes, I should.
Coconut amino. Essential when you're making a dish just like this. Look at that color.
You're gonna add a bunch of tomato paste as well.
Look at that. Can you smell the flavors? Reminds me of the streets of Kingston.
Teaspoon of allspice.
Is this a teaspoon?
What?
No. Don't worry.
About
What's a thing? 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
I'm still gonna call this a tablespoon, yeah?
They're cooking today.
That's about 1.
And we're gonna add about a quarter cup of pineapple juice. This is.
You've got that on camera, yeah? Twice. Please.
Okay, alright, you
Rachel,
try it.
keep
You try
that.
it. You try it.
Keep
You
what,
try
put
it.
the lid on the
Yes,
bottle?
yeah. See, Josh, you're focusing.
I did.
We're gonna use the grill side of the pan so that we can get that fake meat effect like when you grill ribs. So
Just slap that on there.
Should I?
I'm just gonna cut it for you guys. I'm just gonna go straight down here.
But let's make it clear that you're not doing that because we're incapable of cutting our own food, right?
Because we can. 2, 1. I'm confused.
Shoot the questions.
Barbecue, definitely there. The meaty texture, almost there.
I would disagree with that.
You think? I feel like it tastes a bit like stuffing. Barbecue stuffing.
Barbecue stuffing. You hear that, lads?
Okay, so these are definitely chips.
Oh, they're chips?
Yeah,
Thank
that's
you
good. We
for
got that right.
clarifying.
We got that right.
The texture's nice, but it's not rib texture.
So the barbecue stuffing made by Joshua.
Do you want to start again? Because that's not what happened.
What do
I
you
don't know.
No, I did the sauce.
sauces,
I did the sauce.
Whose recipe is the sauce?
Our
This isn't about you
our
right now,
recipe.
Rachel.
Our recipe,
Yes, and
sorry?
Josh made the stuffing.
Stuffing.
Yes.
TH. Stuffing is there. I'll give this a 6.3 out of 10.
I'm gonna go for a 6.
The taste is similar to it, but again, as a meat eater, I'm used to something a little bit more all round, and I'm not really getting this. This is very like playful and soft. Do you know what I mean?
Playful and soft.
That's what I'm getting. You're asking me for the truth, and this is the truth.
This is the truth.
I think the jerk barbecue sauce is banging,
No, that
personally.
is.
That is banging. I think the sauce would utilize like some oyster mushrooms a lot better than a seitan.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you doing?
What just happened?
Sometimes it's like you have zero awareness of what's going on.
What?
I thought Rachel was trying to say her piece to her people then, and you've just cut across playing.
Oh yeah. Barbecue jerk sauce, great. And the seitan I'm actually eating is pretty good as well.
So we haven't managed to convince them that we can make vegan ribs, which isn't too surprising to me because it's just seitan creates a meaty texture, but if you go vegan, you're not gonna have anything that is exactly like ribs. So unfortunately, we haven't impressed them massively
Today.
But we have impressed them before when we did the fake chicken. If we fried this in KFC seasoning and fried it, you would have enjoyed it as a chicken burger. I think the seitan works better that way. And when we made the lasagna, that was easy to swap out and that was easy to do, and these guys loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, enjoyed the recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you enjoyed having the boys back and you want them to come back. Let me know in the comments, and if there's something in particular that you want to see them do, let me know in the comments too.
So my Instagram is MikeyB_.
Are you gonna get it right though? Because if you get it right, then it's alright.
Yeah, no, I know it this time.
Right.
MikeyB_91.
And Josh?
I think mine's...
Oh, don't act, fam.
I don't know if there's an
act.
underscore.
Bruh.
Don't act. Why are you acting?
What do I get out of that? If I am acting right now, what am I getting out of that? Do I look sick if I don't remember?
Yeah, you're trying to be
You
like,
tell us.
oh, I'm so cool, I don't know what my Instagram
tell us,
handle
big
is.
fella.
Like,
First of all,
it's so
you're a
unimportant.
celebrity now, so you can't
I don't know who
go
you're
with,
talking
run
to.
with that
I
little...
know.
Okay, yeah. So do you remember when we went to...
Josh Millward, MILLWOOD. I'm done. Rap.
Just say your last little bit.
No, not you. Him. Don't attack me.
Don't do something dumb like put the coleslaw on top of the ribs. What? I'm just...